The famous media critic Marshall McLuhan used to quote that the fish doesn't understand the presence of water. Simply, the fish is dominated by water. More or less similar situation applicable to us. We are surrounded by overwhelmingly media presence and the information overload. The media plays a crucial role in everybody's life. We used to get the information, we used to get the education, we used to get the entertainment for ourselves. It molds our reality, it shapes our opinion. Due to advent of digital technology, we are not only the receiver of information, we are empowered with the communication to wider audience. We have to utilize this opportunity for public welfare. One such opportunity is Sustainable Development Goals. In 2015, the United Nations has set the goals and targets to be achieved by 2030 in consultation with the various member states. These goals and targets are called Sustainable Development Goals. There are about 17 goals and 169 targets. We have next 10 years time to achieve these goals and targets. That's why UN set this decade as a decade of action. Not only the government institution, public and private institution has to contribute for the welfare of the human being. Every individual can play a role. Since the technology provides the opportunity for us to communicate to the wider audience, we have to use this opportunity to create awareness. Many areas in which Sustainable Development Goals has a capacity to incorporate media and information. Some of the areas are called health, education, gender equality, climate change communication, and freedom of expression. With the appropriate information, we can protect ourselves from the deadly diseases. Prevention is better than cure. And with the help of digital technology, students can enhance their learning capacity with the help of teachers and educational system. With the climate change communication and mitigation, we can save hundreds and thousands of lives before the natural disaster occurs. Similarly, we have to facilitate the better access to information and protect the freedom of expressions. With this background, this course is being designed with the three primary focus areas. One, societal role of media and information, developmental support communication processes, and the interplay between media and information with core goals and targets of Sustainable Development Goals. The main goal of this course is the students are expected to use their learning from this course in their professional activities in the mainstream media, or outreach and extension activities, or teaching and learning activities. Welcome to this program.